Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily get motorcycle license in BC. So all you have to do is head over first in icbc.com. And to start, you're going to need to take the motorcycle knowledge test. So from the website, just head over and search for book test. Then just press enter. So first from the search results, just click on book a knowledge test and other driver licensing and ID services. And from here, for you to be able to book an appointment, you just have to find the nearest office in your location and book your appointment. And from here, you can find and select the office or city to book your appointment. Just start searching and you should be able to see the address where you can book your appointment for motorcycle knowledge test. Next is you're going to need to take the motorcycle skills test 14 days if you have 6L or 30 days if you have 8L. You can just call ICBC on their hotline at 1-800-950-1498. Just call that hotline to get or book an appointment. And lastly is you may now take the road test. Just head back to icbc.com and in the search bar, search for road test. Then press enter, click on book a road test. So you can take the road test after 30 plus days from MST if you have 6L. And after 12 months on 8L, then another 24 months on 8N before the final class 6 test. And you can start booking by clicking on this button. Make sure to read first what tests can be booked to see if the test you're planning to take is included here. Then proceed by clicking on next. And from here, you will be prompted to sign in first using your driver's last name and BC driver's or learner's license number and also ICBC keyword. Then once done, just head over and agree to terms and conditions, then click on sign in. And once you pass the road test, you then should receive a class 6 or 8 motorcycle license with no restrictions. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.